into our janitorial building, and one of the things are leaking. As you see, it has a dead battery, but it's still leaked. So let's figure out what happened here. But before we get into that, I have to clean this stuff up. Simple. I'm gonna take some rags, actually some dirty ones that I was using earlier all night. I'm gonna put these down here, soak a lot of this up. I'm not wasting rags here. And this is just a mess. Just a wet mess. Oh my gosh, it's so wet. It's a wet mess. All right, got a little sticky. It actually looks like it's mixed up because, I don't know, it just seems like, yeah, it's just mixed up. It's wet, and then you have the outside here that's more like gel. So, I don't know. Looks like it could have been poured. Yeah, because it's along the wall here, so the drippage should have came straight down. We should have leaking on the wall, and then, you know, it's on the wall here. And like I said, some of it's gelled up and some of it's wet, but the solution should not gel, or should be all gel and not just wet, because it's a foaming solution. Just makes you wonder. All right, so now we got all the excess water up here. Now I want to introduce some cleaner on here. It's a step process, don't need much. We're gonna get some cleaner on here, and then we're gonna finish up with getting the whole floor here. All right, so we let that sit. I got a bunch of batteries, rags now. Some clean rags. Now you have to introduce the water. You can see we're just scrubbing this up here. All right, get our corners really good. All right, check that out. So I'm gonna use the same rag. There's a lot of soap scum up here. Here we go. Got a lot of soap scum up. There we go. I'm using a dry rag. You see this rag's dry. All right. So now it's all up. And we're gonna go ahead and replace the batteries and get this thing. I always like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us, we don't know you, but we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings. Once we go ahead and clean, you know, some people don't clean because maybe they have mental health issues or they're not getting stuff done. We want to make sure we give you that fresh start. But one thing I do want to let you know here is that while we're also cleaning, I didn't show this part, okay? We come into your home. We let you know when we're on our way, okay? This notification has been sent. We let you know when it's finished or when we started and when it's all done. We can send you that email or this invoice.